Hello everybody, and in this video we will learn how to use the ceilings formula. It's a very important formula and can help you in making a lot of calculations. It allows you to kind of fix a upper limit for something. Let's read what Microsoft Excel has to say about it. CEI ceiling now rounds a number up to the nearest multiple of significance. Now what it means is, say for example, you have these three people working for you, Superman, He-Man, and Magneto. Now, the work requires 3 days for Superman, He-Man would take 45 days, and Magneto would take 70 days. Now, the minimum billing for each of these person has to be for 7 days. All right. So, how do we calculate the number of billable days? So for Superman, it's pretty clear that even though he has work, he would work for 3 days. We would actually go ahead and bill for 7 days. But what for these two? So we will put in the ceiling formula and give the number like this. Significance is the minimum number of billing you want, say 7 days. So Superman would work for 3 days, but we would bill for minimum 7 days. That's a profit of 4 days to us. And we can then copy this formula here. He-Man, we would be billing for 49 days, and for Magneto, 70 days would be billed for 70 days. Now, instead of this 7, let me say we would be billing just for, the minimum billing would be for 5 days, alright? So let's take away this formula and let me teach you another way how to do it. So is equal to CEILING, ceiling, we given the number, okay, and significance, we can use referentially. So minimum billing would for Superman would now be for 5, and if we copy it, sorry. So now let me type in this number for He-Man, comma, and give this number as reference. You can go either way. We would be billing for 45 days. So this is how the ceiling formula works. See you in the next video.